the lights went down for the national anthem, the teams came out on the floor and went through a brief warm-up. So players like the rest of us trying to process this will be a moment that both teams will take part in to honor Kobe Bryant as they will take the 24-set shot clock violation.
And what a great honor. Kobe had such an impact on this game. Ricky Rubio was going to take an 8-second violation to represent number 8 that Kobe wore early in his career. This is just a true testament of how tremendous for both of these teams to execute this.
And of course, just a handful of players for both these teams who were fortunate enough to be entering the league as Kobe finished up his last couple of seasons. And as we said, EJ, the chance of
Talk one out apropos here, right?